What up, guys? We're continuing here with the center flooring raise. I already kind of started doing the next phase, which is starting to get the prep work ready for the cross member to weld it on the end of the center flooring, right by the end of the trans tunnel and to the two rockers. So let me show you what I already started doing and then what I have to do on the other side first. All right, so basically what I'm doing is right now I'm removing the seam sealer around the area and just pretty much grinding. There is a bunch of layers that are on here of sheet metal that lay on top of each other. It's not gonna be like 100% flush or perfect. I'm just gonna have to grind as much as possible and take as much of the seam sealer so it doesn't mess with when I'm welding. So I just wanted to show you kind of like that area. And then now I gotta work on the other side. See how much seam sealer and stuff like that is on there. So once I got those areas prepped, try to see what sizing I need before I start cutting. Because there is some more cutting I'm gonna actually have to do at the end of this trans tunnel, like a kind of box, so that the tubing sits in that area. So I'm gonna have to try to go back and forth trying to fit it and see how that works. So all right, guys, sorry I didn't show you 100% everything of what I'm doing because it's just a bunch of me going from in and out of the car, on the floor, everything. I'm just trying to trim and cut as much as I can to test fit that new cross member. So let me just show you guys where I'm at right now. So I got that cross member in, okay. From here, had to do a little bit of trimming here. Same thing goes on this side and to that side. And what I'm doing now is I'm trying to make sure that the cross member is leveled. As you can see right there, it's in the bubble. So once I know it's leveled, I'm actually gonna take it back down and grind all the areas that I'm gonna be welding. We just show you on this side so you guys can see that the bubble is in as well. There. So yeah, what I'm trying to do now is I'm actually gonna have to take it out and I'm gonna start kind of cleaning and grinding all the areas as well as the cross member itself to kind of prep it up to get some welds in so it holds for now. And then from there, it's all about pretty much welding it up, making sure everything is good, and then I can continue start to work on the flooring more towards the front. So let me show you how it looks like from the bottom. This might not be a good angle. There you go, that's kind of like a better angle. How it's made. We rock the chancletas out here. Alright guys, so I didn't show much videos of the actual welding when I was doing it, but just kind of wanted to show you guys what I welded. These are not perfect welds, but it will definitely hold for sure. So I just wanted to finish up with this welded cross member. And then from there we'll continue to work on either side. I don't know which side yet, but either the driver's side or the passenger side, with starting to cut a little bit more of the floor and working to get that first rail in. So that's gonna be the next step. All right guys, stay tuned and we'll keep going. Peace.